my loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shayla Apri. So we are going to get right into this video. I have some poison ivy and poison oak and whatever else is back there growing around my house, and we are going to get rid of that today. So first, you guys will see I have on my hoodie. You guys really want to be covered up. My hair is covered. You see I got my scarf on, looking a hot mess, but we're gonna get it done. So I have my glasses on. These are my seeing glasses. So if you don't have seeing glasses, just put on goggles, safety glasses, or whatever, something to cover your eyes. And then I also have on my mask. Okay, and then here you guys are gonna see that my feet and my legs are covered as well. So guys, this is my first time using this product. It's called Brush Killer Plus. It's by Bro Advanced. I got this from Lowe's. It was about $22.97. It says it kills poison ivy, poison oak, blackberry, and other like outdoor kind of like brush things that grow around your house that you don't want there, including weeds and stuff too. And then on the back here, you'll just see the instructions. Now, I have a hard time following instructions, but when I use this type of stuff, you definitely want to pay attention to like where you can use it and where you can't use it, like things like that, just so you stay safe and protect yourself while you're using these chemical type of products. So guys, this is the area that I am going to be spraying down. I just wanted to show you guys the kind of the before picture. As you can see, these things have been growing probably since a little after quarantine started. So I just had like all of that you see is just poison. But it's basically like poison ivy, poison oak, and crabgrass. That's literally all it is. And you can see like how tall it's growing and all of that. And we had some rain lately, so everything really started kind of sprouting out. And those are my old tree stumps you'll see too. Okay, my love, so here you guys are just gonna see me spraying. The bottle is like that brush killer bottle. It's like a battery operated bottle, so all you have to do is turn it on and then press the button on there. When you press the button on the nozzle, the chemical comes out. So all you'll see me doing is just going around and spraying. And when I say I sprayed every single leaf, every single root, like you definitely you'll see me bending down sometimes and kind of trying to get to the root. And when you spray the leaves down, it starts to trickle down and it gets on the root, of course, but you definitely want to hit those roots, because the point of all this spraying is for this stuff not to regrow. So even after you pull it, it's so it doesn't regrow again. And guys, I forgot to say it in the beginning of the video, but definitely do not forget your gloves. You definitely need that. Not to say that it gets everywhere, but you definitely want to have that. Once again, as part of the safety. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but I have my gloves kind of pulled over the edges of my hoodie, just so it protects everything and there's kind of no gaps to my skin, so nothing will get on my skin. So all you guys see me doing is just spraying out the rest of the bottle, pouring the rest out, and then we gotta wait and see what happens. So guys, as you can see, this is 24 hours later, so this is just a day later. So you'll be able to see like it actually started, a lot of the leaves and stuff has started wilting already, and I'll just let you kind of see as I record, but a lot of them has started wilting even already just a day later. And guys, the other thing I did, the big thing I forgot to mention, was with this brush killer, you can actually spray it on whatever area you see fit, and then actually like 15 minutes later, like if it rains, it won't wash it away. So all your hard work will not be in vain. If it rains like 15 to 20 minutes later, you'll still be fine. So guys, this is day 3, 72 hours later. You can definitely tell now that I used something on this poison. As you can see, they're definitely wilting. A lot of the leaves and stuff are brown. A lot of them have actually kind of tilted the whole way over and are laying on the ground. As you can see, they're not as high around my air conditioning unit. You can definitely tell it's working. So I would definitely recommend this product if you guys have any poison or brush or anything like that. Even on the grass, you can just see like it made it a different color and it kind of killed it. And I definitely didn't have any new growth, which is the point of all this. I had no new growth. Nothing new was growing after I sprayed. And all you have to do, guys, I waited about probably 5 to 7 days before the landscaper that I hired came out and got rid of everything and pulled everything for me. Did a great job and pulled everything for me. So you can kind of pull it whenever you want to once you spray it, but I would wait like 3 to 5 days and then go ahead and pull it all up from the root and get it out. Okay, so guys, that's it. The brush killer was a success, and I definitely, like I said, I will recommend this product. So guys, stay tuned. I will have a before and after video of my front yard that I'm doing next. So I will have a before and after video of that coming up. So stay tuned and look out for that. And I will see you guys next time.